I just want to take a minute and introduce our F-600 with a stellar hook hoist on the back. Let me tell you a little bit about a hook hoist. A hook hoist is an interchangeable bed. You can build a flatbed, a spray rig, a dump bed. You can have multiple beds, one truck, one driver, all under CDL, eliminate insurance costs, and no problems going through the weigh station. So the hook slides off the back and detaches from the actual bed. This hook will go ahead and set this entire bed down. You can unload your equipment up to 18,000 pounds. If you have any more questions on this truck or this type of equipment, you can look us up at TruckMax.com and speak to one of our specialized reps, or you can even ask for me, Chris Doherty.